I'll be using one layer of Ashoke material to create this beautiful unique head wrap on my screen. So let's get right into it. This is a two-in-one head wrap tutorial using one layer of Ashoke. This one layer is normally used for cap for men, so I'm going to use it to create for women today. You can use it to create a very unique head wrap. So you're going to fold into two like I displayed earlier, and it's going to be in equal part 50-50 division. Fold into two, place on your head, and direct excess to the front to cross. Once you've crossed it like this, the excess will definitely come forward, and we're going to place it on the previous one and not at the center. Now the excess that we have, we're going to turn it round one. We're going to pick one and turn it round one, then direct the excess to sideways and pin it down. Please take note of this step and watch vividly. That is all you need. So I'm going to take sideways and pin down. The other part I have, I've just fold it in to meet this one here. Just fold at random and take it to the side to meet this. Then find your office pin to get it secured. So I'm trying to adjust very well before I finally get it secured. To tie a head wrap, one thing you need to consider and take your time to do is getting them well aligned and well laid. So I tried to do that and I got it secured finally, and I'm almost done here for style one. But before I leave, I'll still come back to it and try to push out all the pushables, and this is the final outlook. I'm going to show you the back now, and this is how it looks at the back, and finally it looks like this at the front. Let's go to the second style and see how it's gonna look like. So this is the second style. I'm going to first scatter it up, I mean the first one, and I will have to come back to the center like this. That is where we need to style again. So I'm going to take one round the other one like I'm forming a rose. If you are familiar with rose shape, so I'll take it round one and get the excess secured at the front while letting one edge remain at the top. So I'm trying to secure this one. Now I'll go for the other part and roll it round like that. Remembering that I have to let one edge fall at the top like this, then I secure the excess. It's going to be so little because the material is very little, but I like it because it is unique. So you can also try this out because you can rock it to anywhere of your choice. Very simple and unique, and you're good to go. So let's wait for the final outcome after the adjustments. So I'm trying to adjust. It is very important. Okay, even if you know how to type but you don't know how to adjust, it is a no-no. So take your time to adjust. Final look, and I'll see you guys next time. Do not forget to leave your comment below.